Hey, everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll be showing you how to change the IP address on your Android device. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Once you are in, then from there, tap on Network and Internet. And then click on the Internet. And then from there, select your Wi-Fi network. Now, click the gear icon next to your connected Wi-Fi. Once you are in, next, tap the pen icon located at the top right corner to edit. And then click on the Advanced options. And then click on the IP settings. And then switch to a static IP settings. Here, you can manually change the IP address. After that, just hit Save. And that's it. You've successfully changed your IP address on Android. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.